Hello, yes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so today I have a new crypto platform that I want to introduce to you. So the name of the platform is called Quantoken. Quantoken. So I will leave the link in my description. So if you want to register on it, I will leave my referral link in my description so that you can do it and get free 20 USDT. Yeah. So no time to waste. Let me take you through how the app operates. Yeah. So when you open the app, when you go to personal, this how it is. So before you go to personal, first of all, you have to open up and do your registration. So registration, you need your Gmail, your phone number, and your name. The name you want it to appear on the platform. So I've seen that I used Ken Rhymes, so you can use any name that you want. Yeah. So when you register on this app, automatically you will get free $20. That's free 20 USDT. But this 20 USDT, you can't use it to unlock VIP one unless you use it to unlock what V1. But I want to show you how you can recharge and withdraw the money and start operating on this thing. Yeah. So first of all, let me recharge my account. So have you seen this? I'll go to this thing. That's the recharge. So recharge, we have the minimum you have to recharge is 10 and the maximum is $1,000. So for the video's sake, I want to recharge 10 USDT 10. So the payment method, we have ZooPay, but I want to, so let me go to recharge. So everything, so it has generate my TRC20 for me. So all I will do is what to copy this thing. I've copied it and I'll go to my wallet. So this is my wallet. So I'll come to withdraw. So I'll come to USDT. So we have many withdraw payment method, but I'll choose USDT. And I will paste the TRC20 I copied from Quantoken here, Control plus V. Then I will enter the amount I want to withdraw. That's $10. I want to withdraw $10 to my account so that I can use it to operate. So continue. Yeah. So this is how it is. That's the withdrawal thing. So I'll go to confirm my payment. So they'll send you. So if you're using XNET, the number you used to create the account, they will send some code on it so that you will use to confirm. So the code is 88303021. Okay. So verification successful. Then I'll click on confirm. Yeah. So your transaction is what in progress. So in some small time, you see that I'll get the money in my Quantum accounts. Yeah. So all I will do is obviously that the balance is zero. So when the money come, it will change from 0 to 10 USDT. That's the minimum amount you can deposit to do your trade on this quantum trading or quantum token. Yeah. So let's wait small so that the coin pairs will load. So let's wait small. But it takes some 2 or 3 minutes to do the transaction. Yeah. So right now XNES have sent the money to Quantum. So let me check whether it has reflects over here. Yeah. So have you seen that the coin pairs has changed from 0.000 USDT to 10 USDT. So it means that right now I can operate on this app. And let me tell you one thing. When you do your first deposit, you can go to the the customer service. I will leave their telegram in my description. If you go to the customer service, they will give you free 4 USDT. That's a reward for your first deposit. They will give you free 4 USDT for your what? For your first deposit. Yeah. So after doing your registration to activate the V1 or the V1 robots, yeah. So you can earn 0.7 USDT per day, which means you can try out the V1 robots for free without spending a penny. You can try out what the V1 robot for free without spending the penny. So I'll show you how you can try the V1 robots. Yeah, and this one you can do this till 90 days. So imagine like every day you'll be earning 0.7 USDT times 90. So it means that you'll be earning 67.5 USDT. So imagine depositing 10 USDT and getting 0.7 USDT every day times 90 days. So it means that you're making 67.5. That's the maximum. And the minimum is what? Is 65, 0.65% or 0.65 times 90 days. That's what? 58.5 USDT. That's the minimum money you can withdraw it. So let's go. So we go to quantify. So you read the announcement and things. So this how it is. So contract wallet is 20. To this any, I haven't earned any money today. And total revenue, I haven't earned any revenue today too. So this how it is. So current level. So if you want to know much about the quantitative trading, have you seen, you can click on this thing and read more about this. Because like at times putting your money in something, you have to what get further knowledge about the particular thing you want to what do it before you can what do it. So we have select system language setup. That's registration process and the start quantitative trading. We have what click quantitative to start quantitative trading. Click the button to start quantitative trading. Check the number of quantitative transactions that can be completed on a day. View current level. You see, so we have our check balance method tool. So you can check everything here to know much about what you're about to do. You see, yeah. So since we have clicked on the quantify, that's what the quantitative trading. So we click on two, the bit. Have you seen the Bitcoin? Yeah. So it's trading. Have you seen? I hope you saw it. So you just click on the Bitcoin and you will leave it for some time for it to load from 1 to 5. So it's like a mining app. So it will mine the thing for you without like any stress. You see that thing? So right now you will leave it for it to load. Everything that is loading for it to load from 0 to 5. So every day you'll be earning 0.7 USDT every day. So every day when it comes to the quantify and you do this, you'll be earning 0.7, 0.7, 0.7 till 90 days. So the money you be putting in right now, you see, I have quantitative benefit is what 0.181980 USDT. So it means that I've earned some amount to my current balance. So it's still doing it. It's very simple. It's like a mining app. Like you just command it for it to do the trading for you. You see that thing. So when you earn the money after everything after this one load from 0 to 5, you see the total earnings and the total revenue over here. Right now, I have contract wallet. So this one I'm using is my contract wallet. It's a free wallet, so you can use this one for 90 days. I hope you understand. So let me show you this thing. You see, you see this thing. So right now I have my total asset is what 30.20 USDT. And let me remind you this thing. I invested only 10 USDT. You see that thing? Only 10 USDT. And I go to quantify and I do my quantitative trading, and I got 0.1980. So so when you activate the quantify trading, that means you'll be trading with your contract wallet. So after register on this app, they will give you free 20 USDT for you to try it. So even if you are scared to even invest, you can use this 20 USDT to trade, and all the money you'll be earning. You see that today's earning, I have 0.1980, but it's still, I can still do it. So one is done. I can still click on it for the five to be done. You see, so I have four more. Yeah, I have four more. I have four more. So this one, if you're even scared to invest, you can say that, okay, then let me try it with my contract wallet. And the contract wallet is a free money they give to you in your wallet. So this one, you can use this one to do your quantified trading. But after depositing your 10 USDT in this account, you can contact their customer service. I will leave their Telegram link in my chat in my description so that you cannot chat them, and they will give to you free 4 USDT. They will give to you free 4 USDT for your coin pairs to be 14 USDT. Yeah. So have you seen that? So they will combine coin pairs and the contract wallet, and right now my total asset is worth $30.20. You see that then? Yeah. So that's how it is. So if I go to service, that's where you can chat their customer service, and if you chat their customer service, like, they will give to you free 4 USDT for your first deposit. You see, so you go to your service and chat the customer service on their Telegram account, and they will give to you free 4 USDT. Yeah, and by the way, I will also leave their Telegram channel in my description, their Telegram, my description, so that it will be very easy for you. Yeah, and let me also introduce you to this one. That's the affiliate marketing. I've come across a lot of businesses or online companies, but quantum token affiliate marketing is very, 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 very cool because they treat their affiliates partners very nice, and they are the best high paying referral program in the industry, unlike most digital current affiliate programs that follow the tied referral structure. Quantum offers higher commission to users who promote the platform service to their audience. This makes their platform perfect for webmaster or influencers. So influencers like me, if we do videos about them too, they can also pay us. Yeah, so it's very good if you're an influencer and you want to jump straight to an affiliate market that can help you. I would advise you that you can come to this thing and register and copy your affiliate market referral code and start sharing for people to join through your link and get a commission from it. So I think it's very nice, very nice. So let me like, the trade is very, very cool. Let me do once more so that I'll end my thing. It's very simple. You go to quantify, you click on the Bitcoin, and it will mine it for you. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. Very simple. So thank you for watching me, and I will leave the link in my description. So please, 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 register through the link and get free 20 contracts wallet. And you can use this free 20 contracts wallet to do your quantify or quantitative trading and get money from it without any stress or without even investing anything. So but if you want to earn more money, unless you invest 10 USDT, and after doing registration or depositing the 10 USDT, you can get your 4 USDT from their customers.